Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening Teams and joining the meeting so Copilot can attach. Once connected, enable your mic and camera and grant Copilot transcript access. This lets it listen for context. Next, click the Copilot pane or chat to activate live assistance. Explain what you need, summaries, action items, or follow-up drafts so Copilot can prioritize. Don't pause. Speak naturally, use short commands for tasks, and confirm Copilot shows real-time responses before moving to the next step. Once Copilot is active, give concise prompts to keep pace with the meeting. Ask it to summarize topics, capture action items, and draft follow-ups. As speakers contribute, ask Copilot to pin crucial comments and highlight decisions with named owners so everyone is clear. Make sure to request timestamps and speaker labels to preserve context when reviewing notes later. If the meeting moves fast, prioritize immediate items. Otherwise, let Copilot batch longer summaries for review after quieter segments. To finish, ask Copilot to compile the final summary, list action items, and prepare any draft emails or task assignments. Then export or share those directly in the chat. Once done, verify each action owner and deadline with Copilot edits so responsibilities are clear. If Copilot missed speech or misattributed a speaker, pause and have it rerun the transcription or refresh the pane. This often fixes timestamp or label errors without losing content. Finally, confirm distribution before ending the call.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.